Hi, and let's first understand the MVC architecture. All the default applications in iOS development are created using MVC architecture. The MVC architecture consists of three different components: the model, view, and the controller. The model represents the domain objects in your application. Now, those domain objects can be representing a customer, but they can also be representing a vehicle. It really depends on type of the application that you're building. View. The view is something that a user sees on the screen. This can be an iPhone screen, which is the display of a vegetable listing for a vegetable gardening app, or this can be a listing of their personal items. But it's not only limited to iPhone. Apple Watch, iPad, Apple TV, anything that the user can interact with and sees is considered a view. The controller is the middleman that makes sure that the view can communicate with the model and the model can communicate with the view. You can also think of a controller as the conductor, because it conducts the flow from the model to the view and from view to the model. It's a great architecture diagram for the MVC pattern. You can see that the model and the view never really talk to each other directly. They always use the controller in between. The controller can get actions from the view and then convert them and notify the model. If the model changes, the controller gets those notifications and it can update the view.